Hey, don't break it. Don't break it. Oh, say happy early Father's Day.
Hey, what you got there?
Give him his gift.
What you got, Pepita? What'd you get?
What is it? You're not sure.
Oh, nice. We got walkie-talkies, look. Thank you, Pepita. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks, Pepita.
Yeah, let's go to the bathroom. Bye. Just kidding. 40. Out of $15 visit, but it's okay. I'll buy everything.
No mask?
It's actually supersonic signature.
That'll do it.
I'm supposed to be on a diet. I'm dying.
Because we got brownie, I got brownie bites too from Sam's Club. Oh, you did it. Yeah.
30.
Because imagine maybe if we would have been gone, she would have been able to go to it now. Trust me. I'll start with
Plans,
if
yeah?
anything, Robert,
We might, I mean, I can get some potatoes too in the morning. We could get some more.
Robert's just eating.
Remember, I still have $20 to play with.
come back, and I'm just gonna chill.
Thanks to this guy, we are like, how many hours late? We're like 5 hours late because of you. What do you have to say about that? You don't care, huh? Yeah, he doesn't care, but at least you got a cute outfit, huh? It's a little shorts. Oh, party, party, party. Hey, 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 hey. Ready for the party, 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 party. But first, I'm gonna need like 5 of these. Going to a car show with you is like leaving for the weekend. Do you even need all this stuff? You do? You think you do? Crazy. Hi, handsome. Hi. Hot party and party and party and party.
Hey, I'm not allowed.
Ah. Are you climbing him?
Let me get a water, Robert.
him, Ava, get him. Get him.
I think you guys should wait your dad. Time, baby.
Abraham. I'm gonna go. Your first time at a show with your dad? What are you doing? I'm gonna go. Hi.
What? He's gonna do it for me. What do we need?
Shots.
Oh, hell no.
That's a big shot. And then Ray.
Can I have a watch?
We out here. Happy Father's Day to all you fathers, to the single fathers. Thank you for coming out right now.